In part 1, we talked about why kids often melt down after good days, why home becomes the place where big emotions finally spill out, and why those moments aren't disrespect, they're trust. Now we're going deeper, because once emotions explode, parents usually ask the same question: what do I do right now? To answer that, we need to understand what's happening in the brain during a meltdown. A meltdown isn't random. It follows a predictable neurological pattern, like a wave. First, there's a trigger, then a rapid emotional rise, then a peak, and finally, a natural fall. Research shows the intense emotional surge itself lasts about 90 seconds. That's it. What extends meltdowns isn't the emotion, it's what happens around the emotion. Talking too much, correcting, lecturing, threatening consequences. All of that keeps the nervous system activated. During a meltdown, the thinking part of the brain, the prefrontal cortex, is offline. That means logic doesn't land. Explanations don't register. Lessons don't stick. So when we say, use your words, calm down, stop crying, you're okay, the brain literally cannot process it. Instead, it hears threat, pressure, or confusion, and the emotional wave grows taller. Most parents do this, and it makes sense. We try to fix it, we explain, we reason, we negotiate, we distract, because we are regulated. But our regulation doesn't automatically transfer to our child, unless we slow down. During the emotional peak, your job is not to teach. Your job is to co-regulate. That means stay close, stay calm, say very little. Simple phrases work best. I'm here. You're safe. This is hard. That's it. Not because kids deserve a pass, but because brains need safety before learning. When we stopped over-talking with Kai, meltdowns shortened dramatically, not instantly, but consistently. Here's something most parents underestimate. Your posture, tone, and breathing regulate your child faster than your words. If your body is tense, your child feels it. If your voice is sharp, their brain hears danger. If you're rushing them to calm down, the nervous system resists. When we slowed our bodies down, even before our words, Kai followed. Regulation is contagious. Calm down feels reasonable. But neurologically, it's impossible in the moment. It's like telling someone to stop shivering in the cold. What kids need first is understanding. This is critical. Validation is not agreement. You can validate feelings without approving behavior. For example, I see you're really upset. I won't let you hit. Both can exist at the same time. Boundaries stay firm. Connection stays intact. We consolidate, investigate, and translate the research, so you don't have to. And the research shows emotional regulation is taught through experience, not instruction. After the emotional wave passes, there's a calm window. This is where learning happens. This is when you can say, "That was really hard earlier. Next time, let's try this." Short, simple, supportive. We started waiting for this moment, and cooperation improved. In part 3, we'll talk about why some kids melt down more than others and the sensory overload, how sensory overload plays a role, and the one sentence that can shorten meltdowns dramatically when used correctly. This isn't about stopping emotions. It's about teaching kids how to move through them. If this part helped you understand your child better, you're already doing something right. You're learning how the brain actually works, and that changes everything.